Hello, I'm Nicholas Crady. I'm a Lambda engineer. And in today's guide, we're going to go over how to fix GRUB. The most likely reason we're having you fix GRUB is that your BIOS is able to detect your boot drive, but you're not able to boot into it. This can sometimes be because the bootloader, GRUB in this case, has broken. We just simply need to reinstall it, and this should fix that issue. First, we need to get into a root shell of your boot drive. We have already done so. If you need instructions on how to do so, please follow our instructions in the guide down below. Once we're in a root shell of our boot drive, we simply need to verify that we are in our boot drive's directory. We can do this by just simply looking at the files and verifying that we are in the root directory of our boot drive. If you don't know, you can always check your home directory and look at the files there. You can see all the users that are on your boot drive. So you should recognize some of them, and you should be able to verify that you are in the correct drive. Now we will go back to our root directory, and then we will go ahead and update GRUB by simply installing it. So grub-install. For our device, this case, it would be the 0N1. In this case, we don't have any errors reported because we have a working GRUB installation. You may see errors at this point in time. Now we will need to update GRUB to make sure that our changes persist through reboot. Once we've updated GRUB, we simply need to exit the shell and sync our work. Once we've done that, our bootloader should be fixed, and we should be able to boot into our boot drive. If you're still having issues booting into your boot drive, please feel free to reach out to our support team and open a ticket. We're always happy to help.